Welcome to our introduction and overview of FSI Courses. FSI Courses is an online learning management system designed to help support and strengthen students in their biology and physical science milestones classes. The topics covered in FSI Courses are directly aligned with the Georgia Standards of Excellence. Each topic covers a specific concept and has a topic quiz to assess students' knowledge and mastery of each concept learned. This helps ensure that students are learning the vital content and material needed to pass the Georgia milestones. In this video, we will complete a quick overview of FSI courses to help you successfully navigate your way through our site. So let's get right to it. First, you want to open a web browser and type in fsicourses.net in the website address area. So let's go ahead and open Google Chrome, and we're going to type in FSICourses.net. Second, let's take a look at where you can locate some of the features of our site. So if you take a look across our main tab, or our main bar right here, we have My Account, Courses, About, Contact, My Cart, and a search tool. And so if we hover over My Account, this is where you can log in, access the registration form, or if you've lost your password, you can click here and enter your email address, and it'll help you retrieve your password or create a new one, and then reset your password. And then if we hover over courses, this is where you can actually buy on some of our online courses, access our biology course mastery, physical science course mastery, and also take a look at our YouTube videos that we have on YouTube for biology and physical science. And then here's our About page, and then here's our contact page where you can contact us by phone or email. And here's the My Cart page, where when you go to buy courses, you'll see those courses actually inputted in your cart on this page. And then here's that search bar right here, or the search icon, where you can look up specific content and materials. So that's an introduction to our online courses site for biology and physical science. In our next video, we will walk you through how to register for our online courses. See you soon.